Hello my dear students, welcome to mathematics class. Dear students, in this video we are going to start 12.2 unit exercise of ratio and proportion. So let's start with this. Question number 1 is determine if the following are in proportion. Dear students, proportion means होता है जब हम दो ratios निकालें और अगर वो equal हो जाती हैं then we call them in proportion. Like determine if the following are in proportion. So four numbers are given to us 15, 45, 40 and 120. We will take the ratio of first two numbers and then we will take the ratio of last two numbers. If their ratios are equal, then we will say yes, they are in proportion. If the two ratios are unequal, then we will say no, they are not in proportion. So I'll show you 1-2 parts and rest try yourself. So let us start with question number 1. So these numbers are given to us. So we will take first two and these two. So first of all we will write it like this, that this is the first ratio and we will take the ratio of last two numbers like this. And for proportion, जैसे रेशियो के लिए कोलन साइन होता है 2 डॉट्स, प्रोपोर्शन के लिए हम डालते हैं 4 डॉट्स. तो हमें चेक करना है वेदर दे आर इन प्रोपोर्शन और नॉट. तो अभी हम पहले ही नहीं लगाएंगे बिकॉज वी डोंट नो वेदर दे आर इन प्रोपोर्शन और नॉट. सो वी विल फर्स्ट चेक. सो 15/45 फर्स्ट रेशियो देख लेते हैं. सो 15 1s are 15 and 15 3s are 45. So the first ratio will be equal to 1:3. Now let us check 40 divided by 120. Second ratio, 0 will cancelled out. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So again after solving the second ratio we got the same ratio. So now we can write it as that 15/45 and the second ratio is in proportion, and as I told you for proportion we will place this sign, right? तो हम इसे ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 1/3 is equal to 1/3. अगर दोनों ratios equal हैं so लिखेंगे yes they are in proportion, they are in proportion, like this. Now let us do the B part. In the B part we have numbers 33, 121, 9, 96. So we will take the ratio of first two numbers and second two. So 33 divided by 121. So this is our first ratio, 33 is to 121. So both are the multiples of 11. 11 3s are and 11 11s are. So after solving the first ratio we'll get 3:11. Now let us take the second ratio, that is 9 divided by 96. Both are multiples of 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. We have 3/32. Further we can't reduce it, they are not the common multiples of any number, so the ratio is 3:32. So are these equal ratios? No. 3:11 is not equal to 3:32. तो ये वाली 3/32. तो हम ये इस तरह से नहीं लिखेंगे, प्रोपोर्शनल साइन नहीं डालेंगे एंड वी विल राइट नो दे आर नॉट इन प्रोपोर्शन, they are not in proportion. So the question is very easy. So similarly dear students, try the remaining 4 parts yourself. Now let us move to question number 2, which is also exactly same. Write true T or false F against each of the following statements. Now again first ratio 16:24 and second 20:13. हमें दे रखे हैं, सॉल्व करेंगे and we will check whether they are proportional or not. So proportional के लिए साइन डाला हुआ. If they are proportional, अगर ratios equal आती हैं we will write true. If the ratios are not equal then we will write false. So I am solving one part in front of you, try the remaining yourself. So this is our first part. So let us take the first ratio 16/24. Let us solve it. They both are multiples of 4. 4 के टेबल में आते हैं. 4 4s are 16, 4 6s are, we'll get 4/6. फर्दर ये हम डायरेक्टली 8 से भी कर सकते थे बिकॉज बोथ आर मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 8 ऑल्सो, नहीं तो हम सेकेंड स्टेप में कर लेंगे. 8 2 ज़ा 16, 8 3 ज़ा. So for the first case the ratio will be 2:3. Now let us take the second one. 20 divided by 30. 0 will get cancelled out, we'll get 2/3. So the ratio is 2:3. So for the first part, because the ratios are equal, so we will write true. This is true. That 16:24 is proportional to, these 4 dots are meant for proportional, is equal to 20:30. Similarly, try second part yourself. Now let me show you the third part. Third part मैं कर रही हूँ आपके सामने. Try the second part yourself. So let us solve the first ratio. 12/18. Both are multiples of 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. So 2/3 means 2:3 ratio first. Now let us check the second one. 28/12. Both are multiples of 4. 4 7s are 28. 4 3s are. So we'll get 7/3. Further we can't reduce it. So 7:3 is the ratio. Are these ratios equal? क्या ये दोनों equal हैं? No, they are not equal. तो हमारा आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? We will write false. Means 12:18 is not proportional to. उन्होंने बोला था proportional है, but हमने लिख दिया false. They are not proportional. So dear students, try the B part and D, E, F yourself. Now next question number 3 is also same. Are the following statements true? तो हमें 2 रेशोज़ दे रखी हैं. मीन्स 40 persons is to 200 persons. ये रेशो पर्सनस की है. क्या ये इक्वल है इस रुपीज़ की रेशो के? तो हम पर्सनस की रेशो निकाल लेते हैं, रुपीज़ की रेशो. इफ़ इट विल बिकम इक्वल देन वी विल राइट येस दे आर प्रोपोर्शनल, मीन्स इट इज़ ट्रू. अगर नहीं तो नहीं. तो सेम क्वेश्चन है, बस हमें डिफरेंट रेशोज़ दे देंगे. सो लेट अस ट्राई. लेट मी डू वन पार्ट फॉर यू. सो दिस इज़ आवर फर्स्ट पार्ट. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर डियर स्टूडेंट्स के रेशो हमेशा सेम क्वांटिटी की होती है. मीन्स पर्सन को पर्सन से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, रुपीज़ को रुपीज़ से. वी कांट डिवाइड पर्सनस विद द रुपीज़. तो अलग अलग रेशो. सो लेट अस चेक. सो 40 persons divided by 200. So let us check whether its ratio is equal or not. So पहले तो जब रेशो होती है तो यूनिट्स कट जाती हैं. 0 cancel. 4 1s are 4. 4 5s are 20. So what is the ratio? 1:5 is the ratio. Now let us check for this. Rupees 15 divided by rupees 75. So units will get cancelled out. 15 1s are 15. 15 5s are. So again the ratio is 1:5. So is it equal? क्या ये equal है? Yes, it is equal. तो यहाँ पर equal है तो हम लिखेंगे true. As we have done in previous question, same है ये भी आपका. So let me solve one more part in front of you. So पहले चेक करना है क्या दोनों ratios numerator denominator की यूनिट सेम है. Yes. Then we can directly take their ratio. This is liters, this is liters. So get cancelled out. तो हम इसको डेसिमल को रिमूव करने के लिए हम नीचे 10 लगा सकते हैं. So 15 1s are 15. 15 5s are 75. 15 1s are 15. 15 2s are. So what will be the ratio? 1/2 means 1:2. So similarly, let us check the second quantity. 5 kg divided by 10 kg. Both the units are same. नहीं same है तो हमें बनानी पड़ेंगी. We have to convert. So 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. So 1/2. Again the ratio is same. So is it same? Equal है ये रेशो? So yes. So again we will write true. तो जिसमें नहीं होगी the part in which it is not equal तो हम false लिख देंगे. तो हम देख रहे हैं सबकी यूनिट सेम होनी चाहिए. 99 kg divided by 45 kg ठीक है, तो ये चेक करेंगे. Now question number 4. Dear students, question number 4. Determine if the following ratios form proportion. क्या ये proportion में हैं? Also write the middle term and extreme terms where the ratios form a proportion. So we will do this question in our next video. The question you can try it yourself also. We have to check the ratio, but here the units are not same. Like 25 centimeter is to 1 meter, so we will convert this 1 meter into centimeter first, or centimeter into meters. Same here, liters, bottles. Here the same, it is kg, gram. Here we have to convert, here it is milliliter, here liter. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. तो हम convert करेंगे. And then they have asked us extreme terms and middle terms. तो मिडल टर्म रेशो की कौन सी है, 1 2 3 4 टर्म्स हैं. तो मिडल में कौन है, 1 मीटर और ₹40. एक्सट्रीम जो होती हैं वो किनारे वाली होती हैं. सो 25 एंड दिस. सो आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू दिस क्वेश्चन इन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल दैट, थैंक यू.